Hello. If you're an IT operator or site reliability engineer looking to implement an automated remediation of Ceph Storage Disconnection use case, this video is just for you. The SMTP servers are hosted in an active-active configuration, sharing a common Ceph storage mounted on a file system. The problem is caused when the file system is unmounted, causing the SMTP service disruption, as the Ceph storage is disconnected for read-write actions. The remediation is to reboot the SMTP server, which fixes the mount point, and restores the connection. Watch and learn the entire remediation event workflow from start to end. The SMTP connection to the Ceph storage is lost and the mount point becomes unresponsive. The scripting KM captures this event, and the monitoring policies in BMC Helix Operations Management generate an alarm event. To start the remediation, the automation policy associated with the alarm gets triggered in BMC Helix Intelligent Automation. It runs the Jenkins job through the generic REST API connector, which first verifies whether the SMTP server has been rebooted within the last 24 hours. If not, it is rebooted. As a result, the SMTP connection is restored, and the alarm is resolved. Continue to watch this video to learn the step-by-step remediation process. From the Operations Management Console Events page, you can see that a Ceph Storage Disconnection alarm event is listed. Next, on the Intelligent Automation Console Policies page, view the policy that gets triggered whenever the same problem recurs. To illustrate the details contained in the policy, we will demonstrate the policy in the edit mode. You can see that the execution mode is set to automatic. This is to trigger policy automatically as soon as the alarm is generated in the Operations Management Console. The trigger condition checks for the Ceph mount point status metric and the associated object class from the scripting KM. In the action configuration, we pass the Jenkins pipeline name to run the remediation job. After the policy run is complete and the SMTP server is rebooted, you can verify the status from the history page. Look for the policy, and click the link. A status window opens. From the Output tab, you can view the API response code as 200, indicating the script run is successful. You can verify the status from the Jenkins UI. Go to the Jenkins dashboard. This is the job in the pipeline that is invoked when the policy runs. Click and view the status and you can see the job is completed successfully and the SMTP server has been rebooted. Log into the SMTP server to see the latest uptime. You can see that it was rebooted 2 minutes ago by this pipeline. For more information, please see our product documentation at docs.bmc.com. Thanks for watching.